In this video, I will show you how to fix the Steam No Internet Connection error. First, open Steam. In the top left corner, click on Steam and select Check for Steam Client Updates. If an update is available, install it and make sure your Steam client is fully up to date. After that, click Steam again in the top left and go to Settings. From the left side, click on Downloads. Then scroll down and find Clear Download Cache. Click on it, confirm the action, and Steam will log you out while clearing the cache. Next, open the Start menu and search for CMD. Right-click Command Prompt and select Run as Administrator, then click Yes. Now type the following command and press Enter: ipconfig fli hdnns. After that completes, type the next command, netsh winsock reset, and press Enter again. These commands will refresh your network settings and fix common connection issues. Finally, restart your computer. Once it boots up again, open Steam and sign back into your account. Steam should now connect normally without showing the No Internet Connection error. If you found this video helpful, subscribe to our channel.